Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we pick up at mile 205.1 on US-1 North as we enter Delray Beach, where the highway carries the name South Federal Highway. Delray Beach brands itself as the village by the sea, and it blends a lively downtown with quiet residential pockets and a wide public beach a short hop east on A1A. As of the 2023 American Community Survey, the city had about 67,500 residents, a median age right around 52, a median household income near $76,800, and a median owner-occupied home value around $435,000. You'll find year-round tourism mixed with a sizable retiree population and a steady stream of seasonal visitors. Downtown anchors include Old School Square at Atlantic and Swinton, the Pineapple Grove Arts District just north of Atlantic, and a restaurant and nightlife scene that punches above its weight for a city this size. Annual draws include the Delray Beach Open ATP Tennis Tournament every February and the Delray Affair Arts and Crafts Festival in early April. Lodging is easy to spot along US-1 and near Atlantic Avenue, with a range from motels and legacy motor courts to newer boutique hotels, plus blocks of dining from casual taco joints to white tablecloth Italian and seafood. Let's zoom out for a moment and talk about Palm Beach County, our host county for this stretch of US-1. Palm Beach County had roughly 1.53 million residents as of 2023, with a median household income around $84,900 and a median home value close to $492,000. The county seat and largest city is West Palm Beach. Geographically, it runs from Barrier Island beaches in coastal towns like Boca Raton, Delray Beach, Boynton Beach, and Jupiter, all the way west to the Glades communities on Lake Okeechobee. Agriculture is a major pillar in the western half of the county, while the coast leans on tourism, healthcare, education, and finance. Higher ed includes Florida Atlantic University in Boca Raton, Palm Beach State College, Lynn University, and Palm Beach Atlantic University. Nature and culture standouts range from the Murakami Museum and Japanese Gardens near Delray to the Loggerhead Marine Life Center up in Juno Beach. Mobility-wise, I-95 and the Turnpike run north and south inland, and the coastal spine is US-1. Tri-Rail and Brightline serve the corridor at county stations, and Palm Trans Route 1 mirrors US-1 with frequent local bus service.
Into your feet, blue old sky below me, my life fell into your dreams. No one's left around me. Every now and then I sigh, try to.
As we approach Southeast 10th Street, US-1 begins a one-way couplet through downtown Delray Beach. Southbound traffic shifts to Southeast 5th Avenue, while we stay northbound on Southeast 6th Avenue. The feel changes here, lanes narrow a bit, speeds calm down, and the city streetscape takes over with palms, paver sidewalks, decorative lighting, and short blocks that make it easy to duck over to neighborhood cafes, salons, galleries, and small offices. You'll spot a mix of older, mid-century apartments, infill townhomes, and low-rise commercial pads tucked behind the street trees. Palm Trans Route 1 runs through here with buses stopping every couple of blocks. Between Southeast 10th and Northeast 8th Streets, the couplet frames the southern and northern edges of downtown, giving you two north-south choices through the core while keeping turning movements a little simpler than a traditional 6-lane arterial.
every now and then I smile. Know the truth just for a while. Cause in the end, it was pretend. Regrets my silly little things. Once would kill me, now set me free. Regret like one more cigarette.
Rolling north, we pass Southeast 1st Street. Today, the traffic signal here is dark, and the left side of the roadway is barricaded. Looks like a temporary closure, which isn't unusual downtown given utility work or event setups. 1 block later is Atlantic Avenue, which carries State Road 806. Atlantic is the east-west baseline for the city's street grid. Addresses flip from south to north at this line, and it's the main dining and entertainment spine from I-95 all the way to the beach. Crossing Atlantic, our roadway name flips to Northeast 6th Avenue as we continue the northbound leg of US-1. If you were to turn east on Atlantic, you'd reach Veterans Park on the Intracoastal Waterway and the drawbridge over to A1A and Delray Municipal Beach. If you turned west, Old School Square and the Delray Beach Tennis Center sit just a few blocks off the corridor.
Regrets my silly little things. Once they've eaten me, they set me free. Regret that final cigarette. Always wanting more, to know what for. Could ya?
A few more blocks bring us to Northeast 8th Street, which is George Bush Boulevard. George Bush Boulevard runs east to a drawbridge over the Intracoastal and A1A, while this stretch of US-1 mixes neighborhood shopping centers, marine businesses, and pockets of waterfront housing as we angle toward the Boynton Beach line. Shortly after this intersection, the two halves of US-1 come back together, and the highway resumes as North Federal Highway through the northernmost part of Delray Beach. We'll wrap up today's drive at mile 209.9 on US-1 North as we leave the city limits of Delray Beach. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.